Hey guys, 150 here, and welcome to my third of my Poundland pickup unboxings. First part we had Gnaw, then A Bay of Blood. Now we've got Killjoy. These are all horrors, by the way, in case I haven't mentioned. So yeah. Anyways, I don't know about this one. Looks like it could be okay. Killer Clowns. Why not? It's only a quid anyway. So yeah, this one. It's back. Side. Can fucking open it, hopefully. But 1 minute. So now there's this. So yeah guys, so that's a quick unboxing of Killjoy on DVD. See you on the next unboxing. Just grab this. That's Master 50 signing out.